You can think of a bond as a piece of paper that says that you, the buyer of the bond, lend money to the borrower and that you will be paid back the money with some interest. A government bond allows you to lend money to the government, and a corporate bond allows you to lend money to a company. The company or the government promises to pay you back with interest after a certain amount of time. There are three important things to know about a bond before you invest in it: the bond's maturity date, the interest rate, and the payout schedule. The bond maturity date tells you when the principal amount of your investment will be repaid to you. The interest rate tells you how much interest you will earn on your bond annually. The payout schedule tells you whether your interest rate will be paid every month, quarter, or a year. Let us say you buy a bond of 1 lakh rupees, which will mature in 3 years. The bond has a 12% interest rate and monthly payout schedule. That means the total interest you will earn in a year would be 12,000 rupees, which will be credited to you every month as 1,000 rupees. After 3 years, when your bond matures, the entire sum of 1 lakh rupees will be repaid to you, and you will have collected 36,000 rupees as the interest during those 3 years. But keep in mind, your actual bond yield may vary based on the price you pay to purchase the bond. More on that in another video. Now you can see why bonds are called a fixed income instrument, as they help you generate a stable income stream that is not affected by the fluctuation in the stock market. There is still some risk when you're investing in the bonds. Bond credit ratings are like school grade. They assess the likelihood of the bond issuers repaying the debt. Ratings range from AAA to D, AAA signifying the low risk and D signifying the high risk. Investors use these ratings to gauge risk versus return when investing in bonds.